Hello Glass Industry, it's Mark from Glass Open Book and welcome to the first episode of GOP News in 2023. Hope you have enjoyed the holidays and I'm no exception, and I have even received a gift and I assume it's from GCA. So let's make a quick unpacking. Alright, fancy looking box. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, it's so cool. So now you probably know that GCA is making glass. So what they have done, they have basically sent me the glass. So, and I assume it's for the tea. Wow, so cool. All the way from Turkey. Thank you so much, GCA. Now, back to the episode. We'd love to thank Vertex for sponsoring this episode. The year starts with a big glass industry event, Glassman Europe, that will take place in Istanbul in Turkey from 8th to 9th of February. And during this event, the Turkish glass manufacturer GCA will provide two keynote presentations. Dr. Abdullah Garret, who is the general manager at GCA, will speak on behalf of the company and give an overview of the group's sustainability efforts. In the second presentation, Dr. Garret will provide a paper on behalf of FIVI on the topic of glass as the packaging material of the future. We will leave the links to the Glassman Europe event in the description below, so you can register to attend it. Allied Glass has announced that from the 1st of January 2023, they will be known as Verallia. This name change comes as a part of continued integration with the Verallia Group after £315 million acquisition in November last year. Allied Glass were previously known as the experts in premium glass bottles, specifically in Scotch whisky and gin sectors, and its established position in the UK market. So now Verallia can surely benefit from that. Pilkington UK continues to develop low-carbon ways of manufacturing glass. Recently, they have signed a major low-carbon hydrogen supply agreement with Vertex Hydrogen. So, in simple words, the agreement sets Vertex up to supply Pilkington UK with hydrogen. Probably some of you hear about Vertex for the first time. Well, Vertex Hydrogen is a company that's leading the energy transition in the UK and developing the first large-scale low-carbon hydrogen production hub. So we all have high expectations from this cooperation, and this is yet another major step forward. And finally, OMS Group has refreshed the product lineup on Glass Open Book. OMS Group is providing packaging solutions and for the glass containers as well. So, pallet wrapping machine AVR 1000 was refreshed and you can easily find it on GOP. And automatic hooding machine AT55 got updated as well. All the links are as usual in the description. That's it. It's the beginning of the year, so not so many news so far, but it's just the beginning and we'll surely keep you updated. So, subscribe for that. It's been Mark from Glass Open Book. See you very shortly. Goodbye. Vertex has been providing software solutions for the glass industry since 1995. Their system is called SEAL, and it provides manufacturers with very precise, real-time KPIs on the performance of the whole plant, from the batch to the palletizer, through the mold shop and quality labs. Click product inquiry to contact Vertex directly via Glass Open Book.